It can happen several times a week. Someone around Brunswick in crisis.
So we might go to a call, deal with a person, and deal that they need some expertise beyond what a police officer can provide to them.
And because of that, there's a lot of repetition.
One of the things that we're seeing is that many times it's the same person over and over and over again.
But now law enforcement departments on the Midcoast will have a mental health liaison through the nonprofit Sweetser to help.
I think there's a growing recognition in law enforcement that for a long time, law enforcement officers have been asked to do everything.
Michael Maudlin was hired just for this. He can help with de-escalation and connect people to resources and supports.
We're continuing to work on what referrals look like and how he can be most effective, whether really focusing on the co-responding versus community outreach.
While based out of the Brunswick Police Department, he'll also work with police in Bath, Topsom, and the Sagadahoc County Sheriff's Office.
This is an opportunity for, to kind of blanket the whole area. And that's why it's a regional approach.
Area opioid settlement funds will pay for this position for at least a year. After that,
we'll evaluate, reassess, and see what we need to do. But I think it's going to be a valuable resource to us in the law enforcement community.
And for the larger community as well. Police say they often don't know what happens to someone in crisis after that initial call for help.
I feel good about it because it lets us know that at least they're in good hands with this individual, and hopefully they get the help they need, and that we were part of that process.
The new liaison is already on the job. Over the last few weeks, he's already responded to a number of calls.